Aloha! Thanks for tuning in. This is Adele Brienne back with you another Friday. How you doing? The weekend's coming up. So we're back on our L topic, which is leadership. And I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna upset and annoy a couple people here because some people are gonna totally disagree with me. It's a somewhat unpopular opinion these days, and my opinion and my advice to you, if you're a business owner or you're a passionate hobbyist who would like to become a business owner, my advice to you is to launch a website. I said it. Do not rely on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, YouTube, LinkedIn, or any other social media platform or owned website that someone else owns. Do not rely on them to be the foundation of your business marketing. There's lots of reasons why. I go into it more on my blog, but I'm going to touch on a few of those reasons right now. First of all, think about your website as real estate that you own. Okay, you own this real estate, you own your domain name. So your foundation for your website, your domain and your hosting, which you own, which you control, you then can build upon that foundation anything that you want. It's almost limitless what you can do with websites within that technology. There's so much stuff you can do. So number one, it's real estate you own. Number two, on those social media websites, you can be vulnerable. You're a victim to the algorithm. You don't control what's going on there. You're one voice amidst millions. It's like tons of distractions and other things going on. So I'm not saying don't do social media marketing. I love social media marketing, but I'm saying don't create that as the foundation of your business marketing. Use it as a satellite. Use it as something that is part of your marketing mix, but not the foundation. Let your website be the foundation of your digital marketing, okay? So your website is real estate that you own. You can do whatever you want with it. You can drive traffic there through SEO. You can drive traffic from your newsletter, from social media sites, from other websites. You can get publicity. You can guest blog. You can be guest on podcasts, get media features, things like that. There's lots of ways to drive traffic to your website, to this real estate that you control and own, where you can put whatever photos, videos, messaging, helpful information. There's so much opportunity with how much you can be generous and share and give and grow your audience and increase that, what we call know, like, and trust factor, that people come to you as strangers, and as they go through your content and your website and your social media, they start to know you. They start to like you. They start to trust you because you are trustworthy. You're an ethical business person who's doing something wonderful out there in the world, right? That's what I believe if you're tuning into my channel. I believe that you're resonant with me, that you're a good ethical person, that you're doing something wonderful and amazing and unique and special. Go out there, be bold, launch your own website. Whether you do it yourself or you hire a professional, it doesn't really matter. Just get it going. It can actually be very, very low cost. If you check my other YouTube videos, I give you lots of tips and tutorials on how to get started for super low cost on launching your website. I've been doing websites for 24 years, so I very much love them. I have been living an amazing lifestyle in Maui, Hawaii for 15 years because of my website, because I built this tool which I can use to put messages up that attract my ideal clients and lets them know that I provide the services they need, and it makes it easy for them to contact me and work with me. So my website is this incredible lead generation tool. It's amazing. So whether you're just getting started, you're more established, wherever you're at in business, it's okay if you're ready for a website refresh, a makeover, if you need to get started completely with just your very first website. Wherever you're at, I just encourage you to get started. If you're feeling paralysis or fear or things are holding you back, or you're feeling stuck, or you need to do some mindset work, you just want to chat about what's going on in your business, I'd love to chat with you. I very much encourage you to join me inside my free group on Facebook, where I support business owners with website makeovers and tips and tricks on how to optimize your website, how to market your website. I do touch a little bit on email marketing, social media marketing, SEO, blogging, YouTube, that kind of stuff. So I hope this has been informative. It's just very brief. The main thing is that, like, I don't know if you've heard recently, but at least 3 of my clients got their accounts hacked on Instagram, and they lost, one of them lost tens of thousands of followers, and they didn't have those people backed up on an email list. They hadn't grown their email list. They didn't have their website established. They didn't have a backup of those contacts. So it's really unfortunate if you rely on Instagram or some social media site to, it's great that you're getting calls and booking through social media. That's amazing and wonderful. I totally want that for you. I just also want to know that you have an email list, you have contacts as well, and that you're using your website to be the number one talking point of your business. That when people type into Google your name or your business, that your website comes up first. Your website should be the first thing people see and can engage with and interact with. This is real estate that you own and control, and it's your place to put your messaging out there, to collect your leads, to grow your email list, to share your offers. You can put your shopping cart. It's really easy to do. Web shops, e-commerce. It's easier than you think, I promise. Even if you're not tech savvy, if you're only a little bit tech savvy, wherever you are, I'd so love to help you. That's my whole thing, is I love doing tech stacks for people. So if you're thinking about launching a website, if you have any questions, if you're wondering about Wix or Weebly or Squarespace or Showit or WordPress or what you should use, there's a lot of options out there. I have my opinions. I've used almost all of them. Just hit me up, shoot me a DM, send me a message, and I would love to help you. Thanks for tuning in and have a great weekend. This is Adele Brienne. Aloha.